Hi everybody, it's 1:28 and 9 seconds on May 24th. This is now the main drawing for the Golden Age Action Comics number 148. Over here are the 23 filled spots. James Lepore. The final 5 empty spots were 1, 2, 5, 9, and 11. That's what was left after Jose Hernandez picked his 5 spots from winning mini number 2. Alright, so let's roll our 3 dice. Number is 9. Name at the top of the list is going to get the book. And I'm going to try to drop it off at the post office first thing tomorrow morning before the holiday weekend. If I cannot get it out in tomorrow's mail, unfortunately I will not be able to ship it until Tuesday, as I'm going to go to the Final Four in Boston this weekend, leaving later tonight actually. So here we go. Best of luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is the final one. 9. Spot 5, James Lepore from winning mini number 2, or coming in second mini 2. It's 1:29 and 41 seconds.